Ano ba talaga yung gusto mong ipakita sa akin?
That I'm a mafia boss.
My husband is a mafia boss.
This is my world, and you were never meant to be part of it. Hindi ko mapapatawad ang sarili ko if anything bad happens to you.
Ang cute niya!
You're in love.
Paano ba kapag in love yung isang tao?
Hoy, miss! Uy, ate. Yung order ko.
Teka, te!
I can't believe I let her marry a Roswell.
I told you, you cannot trust anyone.
Dick! Naririnig mo ba sarili mo?
Damn it.
Oh, ayan. May luha pa para effective.
Sa mundo ng mafia, hindi madali magtiwala. Kaya nga kita tinuturuan not to kill but to protect yourself, even against me.
Pababagsakin natin si Ezekiel Roswell once and for all!
Shit!
We'll kill Amy Roswell.
If life is fair, why do some people need to sacrifice their lives so that others could live in peace?
You'll be dead soon.
Wala pa siya. Pinoprotektahan ka lang ng asawa mo.
Iniisip ko lang din yung mga taong mahal ko. Nangyayari? Bakit may suntukan? Hoy! Hindi kaya nasa shooting sila! Mahal kita. Kahit ikaw po ang pinakamasamang tao sa buong mundo.
I love you.
Saan mo dinikot yan, Dong?
What the fuck? Di, boss! Mr. Roswell, wait lang!